all this traffic just because somebody wanted to be stupid. This is what happens when you speed. These roads are super rough. Had to end up turning around because Google tried to give me a shortcut. And the state trooper had to turn me around because a tractor trailer wasn't supposed to go on the back roads. And ended up getting stuck. 2 or 3 of them back there. So the state trooper turned me around. And now I'm an hour out the way now because of that. Thanks, Google. Something on fire in Shreveport, y'all. Oh my goodness. The day's end on fire, y'all. Ain't that some crap? The day's end on burnt down. Damn.